Yeah, welcome back. I had to restart the kernel just because I wanted to do it from scratch and do it with you guys. Okay, so as you can see, I did the label encoder to strip it, right? There was no nons anyway, so that was not needed. MP non fills NA. Okay, so everything but charges and then charges for the target. Test train split, and then the AdaBoost regressor, which is the first. It did the best. R2 score 80%. Make scorer, you know, explain variance score, which is a little more lenient, 82%. Okay, now let's see how the others did. The Bayesian Ridge. This did not have a linear relationship, so there's no need for a linear regressor. Okay, 69%, 69. Linear regressor. It actually, even though it didn't have a linear relationship, it did all right. Although I had to change the polynomial degree to 8. There's no need, but it did better than I thought. This did terrible because it didn't fit the data at all. -4. For the lasso, whoa. Okay, so as you can see, our AdaBoost regressor did the best. Now we're going to plot it right here. 82% ADA and then YPRED for the other one. 8269. Somewhat like a time series data, but it's not. Okay, guys. Next video.